Morning everyone. It's our second day here in Armenia, guys. So today is February 20. Tapos today yung flight ni Raycon pabalik ng Dubai kasi mauna siyang umuwi sa amin. It's already 9:45 in the morning, guys, and then the weather here is snowy. So, chinek ko yung weather. Whole day, magsusnow today until Friday, guys. So, ewan ko kung ma-affect ba yung tour. Kasi mostly yung tour namin sa bundok. And then sometimes daw, magro-road closure siya kasi sa sobrang kapal na ng snow. And then delikado na sa daan. So let's say kung ano yung sasabihin ng tour guide namin. So, nakalimutan ko palang mag-room tour, guys. So, yan yung room tour natin. Just a very quick room tour. The room is just basic. May tatlo na bed. Dalawang single bed and isang double bed. The good thing is malaki yung table dito. Pwede kang kumain kasi may kitchen. Pwede kayong magluto. So, right now, nagluluto sila ni Rhea for breakfast namin. Kasi wala kaming tour pala ngayon, guys. So, it's our own time today. Mag-ikot-ikot lang kami mamaya. And then, maybe we will recover. Magre-rest lang muna kami. Kasi, for the past few days, wala kaming masyadong tulog. Kasi, continuous yung mga tour since Georgia pa. So, inalat talaga namin tong day na to just to take rest. Walang tour. Then, bukas. And then, ang last day namin, yun yung may tour kami. So yes, guys, ito lang yung kwarto namin. Yung hindi ko lang gusto dito is walang full body mirror. Yung nasa washroom na maliit. So sobrang hirap na pag after mo magbihis walang mirror. And then good thing din kasi may heater sila. Nakakatulong kasi sobrang lamig talaga, guys. And yung experience namin dito, nakalimutan nilang mag-set up ng bed for Raycon. So kami pa yung nag-set up. Kulang yung towel. But overall naman, I would rate this place maybe 6 out of 10. Kasi location-wise, maganda. Nearby lang na sa lahat. Walking distance lang sa lahat. May grocery sa baba, which is carry for okay naman yung wifi. Kailangan namin walang wifi kasi sa booking.com nakalagay walang wifi, buti na lang meron. And maybe let's say 7 yung cleanliness. And then from reception, need mo pang maglakad maybe mga 2 minutes. And then papasok kasi siya, guys. So papasok ka ng medyo may iskinita din pataas. Walang elevator, so yun. Struggle kami paakyat dito, bringing our luggages. So yeah, yan lang yung review ko dito. So nandito kami sa Busan apartment, sa Busan 41 family apartment. Malapit siya sa skating ring. Tapos straight lang Republic Square na. So yeah, magpe-prepare lang kami ng breakfast and update you later. Thank you for cooking our breakfast, guys. We cook bacon, egg, leftover pandesal, mashed potato, baboy, and we cook rice. How much is the rice here, Rex?
900 something.
900 for how many? 500? Half kilo?
Yeah.
Okay. It's breakfast time, guys, here in Yerevan.
Let's eat.
Let's eat na.
Morning breakfast.
With a view,
With a
snowy. Hi! Nasa labas kami guys. It's 3 in the afternoon. Kakalabas lang namin. And then it's still snowing everywhere. Ooh, lamig. So we rested very well.
Yes, of course.
Kasi wala kaming tour today, as what I've said. So yung friendly namin, na hangover, naka-recharge talaga siya guys. Sobrang saya niya kagabi. Ay, it's currently -1 here in Yerevan guys.
Negative one.
-1.
Oo. It's -1 and then it's snowing. Good luck sa amin. Na-experience na talaga ni Rex guys yung snow.
Let's go.
Finally.
Hi guys. It's snowing. Oh. Nandito kami ngayon sa Opera House. Ito yung Opera House guys. So sa likod nito is papuntang Cascade, I believe. So for sure, makapal na yung snow sa Cascade guys. Kasi since morning pa talaga siya ganito. Hanggang Friday, nag-check ako ng forecast. So let's see. Let's see. Look at the snow. Let's go. Dito kami sa coffee house.
Card ka? Diyan na po.
Napakagwata din.
Ito yung sikat na coffee shop dito guys. Coffee house. Coffee house. Walang Starbucks dito. Lakas pa rin ng snow.
Really?
Rhea. R-E-A.
And Max?
Here, your name in Armenian.
Oh. Which one?
Here.
Rhea.
Mango drink, Spanish latte.
Abby. Fina.
Naglapas?
Nalapas ang Abby. Abby. And the last one is Rex. V-R-E-X.
Abby. Armenian.
Armenian name.
Here, Rex.
Wow,
Rex.
thank you.
Okay na ang stocks.
Iya, taga niya. Present na niya.
Yes. Coffee na.
Guys, nandito kami sa Tumanian Restaurant. So shawarma kami ulit. Kasi nagugutom yung friend namin. Gutom na gutom siya guys. Nag-crave siya ng shawarma. Anong in-order mo?
Large shawarma.
Order siya ng pork shawarma.
Cheese.
With special cheese without coriander. Without coriander?
Yeah.
Yes.
And we put some a little bit spicy.
Magkano yan?
1,800.
So yung in-order ni Rex is large shawarma with special sauce. It's 1,800 grams. So nandito kami with a view. Kasi nag-brown out guys. Walang ilaw dito. Kaya nandito kami sa harap. Nasa harap kami ng daan. Yung view namin mga sasakyan. So, yes. Ano in-order natin, love?
Pork shawarma with 4 cheese. And for me, it's normal. Pork shawarma with garlic sauce.
Okay, yes. So, yes, snack lang muna to guys because it's still 3:45 ng hapon. Yeah. So, yes. Kainan time. Tapos na kami dito sa Tumanian. Tapos na kami mag-shawarma, guys. We're going to... Saan tayo pupunta lang? St. Gregory? We'll be going to St. Gregory Illuminator Church. Lumakas na yung snow, guys. Sobrang lakas na ng snow.
Dali na kayo.
Sobrang lakas na ng snow. Maginani na sa niya, mako na sa datong naong asa man dapit dayang
Pero may kita masugat sa snow.
musugat. Sugat ni sa snow, guys. Musog na kayong snow. Woo!
Ito sa yung snow. Nag-enjoy lang kami sa city, sa snow. Sakit sa nawang ang snow.
Let it snow. Yan, nagtutubang pag sa snow, guys.
Grabe yung snow. Namatay na. So fun. Yes, it's the Romania. Hi guys, nami sa Republic Square. Asa ta Brex?
Sa Republic Square.
Yeah, dito.
Wala ka nakita.
That's the tower. Yes.
Tower!
Grabe ang snow, guys. Enjoy jud me. Armenia is perfect memories.
The overdose.
Is perfect is the
Is
memory.
the perfect is na overdose.
Overdose sa snow. Yes, but we're having fun and so great experience.
Lalong lumakas yung snow, guys. Sobrang lakas na. It's 5:30 ng hapon. Sobrang lakas.
See you. Bye.
See you. Oh,
Oh, naglaro pa.
Is the perfect
Is the
is the
snow.
overdose is the snow.
Hi guys! We are back in our room.
Back to back.
Sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. How's your experience, Junrex?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Super, ano na talaga.
Achieve.
What's the time now, guys?
7.
Oh, 7 in the evening na.
Still snowing.
Still snowing. Lalong lumalakas yung snowfall, guys. Kaya nag-decide kaming bumalik dito kasi hindi na talaga namin kaya. Sobrang lamig na ata. Pero nakaka-amaze yung snow, no?
Yes.
Talagang sobrang lakas talaga. First time talaga namin na naka-experience na tuloy-tuloy yung snowfall. Since morning, guys, nag-snowfall. Hanggang ngayon, sobrang makakapal yung snow na bumabagsak, guys.
Never mind na lang the stats.
Yeah, so right now,
Never mind na lang.
nandito kami sa kwarto.
Yes.
So we're trying their local beer, guys. Armenian local beer.
Wala kayo.
So nabili namin to sa Carry 4. For how much, Junverx?
It's 475. Yes. It's very
475.
expensive, guys, but that's fine. Money's not an issue.
So, i-rate daw ni Junverx yung mga local beer nila. Yung ano yung...
We'll try.
We'll try these flavors.
Yeah.
They have different flavors.
Alright. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice.
Very good.
Very good. Let's try the other one.
Let's try that
This
one.
one is original. I think there's no flavor of this.
Celebratory.
Celebratory.
That one is the light one.
Light one. Yeah, it's just like. But it's nice, guys.
So this is celebratory. It adds a little darker. Darker.
Yeah.
Darker.
This is mine. No more, please.
You know, yeah.
Yes.
It's good. Whichever you want.
This one. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Celebratory.
There's flavor. There's a flavor. Aftertaste. What is that?
Light one.
Dark. It's like coffee or something. Vanilla or something.
No, seems like
Coffee.
very...
There's no English translation for the
I
ingredients.
can't understand, guys. If there is a flavor, no? But if you know, comment na lang.
I-research na lang later. So now this is darkest of them
Yeah,
all.
darkest.
Let's try this darkest of them all. Okay.
Ah, this is the coffee.
So this one now. Okay, let's test.
Alright.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
So this one is it.
Coffee?
It's like Guinness.
Guinness, yeah. But Guinness more stronger.
So maybe this one.
I think it's all tolerable. Yeah. Kaya.
But I think it's a little hard.
This one is like sunny light.
Yeah.
Like very, very light. This one is a flavored one. So that one is like much little bit stronger. So it's like that.
Yeah. So, ano yun?
Perfect na. Magtagay na ta!
Let's
Okay.
try.
Isa sa, napakaganda sa, na-appreciate ko sa Armenia. In terms of their beers, they promote really, local beer. So pag magpunta ka sa mga bars or club, wala silang ng beer. Yung local lang nila yung binibenta nila. But sa mga grocery store, meron. So, nung nagpunta kami, I don't know if, kasi isa lang yung napunta namin, na bar. So, naghanap kami kung ano yung, I think dalawa na, even the restaurant,
Ah, yeah.
sa restaurant din. Yung beer na ino-offer nila, isa lang talaga. Yung beer na ito, local beer nila. So,
Meron naman. But they recommend.
they recommend, no? So, yun.
Yes, perfect. So, magtagal na guys.
So, magtagay namin guys, so, tanong mo.
Ganun mo. Magtanaw naman ako. Kaya magsuya ako niya.
Masuya sana din.
So, naman na to ang.
Panahon na lang na natuburo.
Hi guys! We are about to go out. It's already past 9 in the evening, guys. -2 yung temperature ngayon, guys. And then it's still snowing outside. So, lalabas kami saglit. Dito lang kasi yung sa harap namin is park. So, pupunta lang kami doon just to take picture and play with the snow. Kasi magbibuild ng Olaf si Junvex. Actually, ang daming tao sa park, guys. Dami din naglalaro sa park ngayon. So, kaya lalabas kami and I will try. What's the feeling outside?
Yes.
Do you build a snowman?
We'll play and make a snowman outside. Let's see if we can.
Yes.
Where's the key?
Kung kaya namin ang temperature sa labas, guys.
Let's go.
Very tugnaw. But for the memories, ganda to, guys. Taste ganda.
Let's go.
Let's go, Brett. What's our dinner for tonight, guys?
Pancit Canton and Dumi from Dubai.
Dito lang kami nag-dinner. Nagluto lang kami ng pancit canton with egg, guys. Then my leftover rice. Yun lang. So we are ready and see you outside. Guys, sobrang kapal na ng snow. Tingnan nyo. Oh, sobrang kapal na, guys.
Yung mga daanan puro snow na. Sobrang kapal talaga. And then mahangin siya guys, look at. Look at sobrang hangin. Oh my God. Hindi mo na alam ano yung daanan guys kasi fully covered na ng snow. So ito yung park malapit sa hotel namin or Airbnb.
yung may red.
Airbnb pala guys. Yun. See? Sobrang kapal guys ng snow. Woo! Woo! Are you okay lang? Dali. Tapos na yung snowman namin, guys.
Snowman!
Dami na nagpa-picture sa snowman namin. Yan yung snowman. Babe.
I'm trying to live in the